You ever wonder to yourself, how do I get rid of my man boobs? Or how do I build a defined chest that women love? In this video, I'm gonna go over my chest routine that has worked for me and a lot of other clients as well. All right, so if your goal is to build a better chest, I'm gonna just give you my routine and this is what I do. So the first thing when I go to the gym, I hit the barbell bench press. So that's the staple for me. Always the first thing I do every time. So I know some people have shoulder issues or stuff like that. So you can use dumbbells as well if that doesn't work for you, but this is what I do personally. So either choose dumbbell or you could choose the barbell. And you gotta remember, these are my weights, so you make sure you choose a weight that is comfortable for you, that you can hit for 10. So the general rule that I use, if you're going for 10 reps, you wanna go for about 70% of your 1 rep max. So what that means is, if you're going for 10 reps, once you get about 7 reps, you should be kind of tired and burnt out, and those last 3 should be a challenge for you. If you can get through all 10 reps without any challenge, then the weight is too light. If you can't get to 10 reps, then it's too heavy. So we're gonna do 5 to 6 sets. The first set is gonna be a warm-up set. Everyone can be different, but I start with 135. So I'll do 10 reps. After I do that, I'm feeling good. I'll put a 25 plate on each side. Now we're at 185. All right, and I'm doing another 10 reps. I'm feeling good and comfortable at this weight. I'll go up to 225. So I'll try to get 10 reps. Sometimes I fall short. I might only get 7 or 8 reps. Sometimes I get 10, but I don't kill myself. I'll take a break. In between each one, I'm taking about 30 to 40 seconds break. And then I'll go again and I'll hit another 225. I'll try to get 10 reps. If I don't get it, that's fine. If I get 8 this time, that's okay. So we're at 4 sets at this point. I have 2 more left, but now I'm kind of burnt out. My arms are tired. So what I do is I'll drop the weight and then go backwards. I go down to 185. I do as many reps as I can at that. And then I'll drop it immediately to 135 and do as many reps as possible until I burn out. So this is the first thing I do when I go to the gym. That is my staple. It sounds like a lot, but it only takes about 10 minutes of your time. So by the time I knock out all of that, I'm like, all right, my chest is burning. So I gotta go to a different muscle group. You might be watching this, you might be like, well, I thought we were watching like a chest workout video. But what I do is I work my shoulders and my triceps because those are what's called synergist muscles. So they assist the muscle. They're not the primary muscles that's moving the chest, but the stronger your shoulders and the stronger your triceps are, the better you're gonna be at chest exercises. So these are the 4 exercises that I typically do when it comes to shoulders and triceps. I'm always gonna do these to the end of time. It's gonna be shoulder raises. So I do lateral and frontal raises. That's when I'm going up to the side and out to the front. So I'll do 4 sets of each of those, 4 sets of 10. In between, I'll do push-ups. So I'll do 4 sets of 10, and then I'll do push-ups in between. And also tricep extensions. I'll do regular tricep extension, and I'll do overhead tricep extension. So I'll do 4 sets of each one. This will take me about 15 minutes to knock out. So we're probably at about 25 minutes at this point. So I'm feeling pretty good now. My shoulders and my chest is starting to get back into it. And then I'll go to an incline bench press. And then what I did on the first set with my barbell flat bench press, I'll repeat that same process. So I'll start with the warm up. I'll go all the way to 6 sets. I'll go up and then go drop back down. Same way with the incline. This point, I'm probably about 45 minutes and I'm like, all right, I'm pretty tired. I'm getting to the end. But when you're training your chest, you want to hit it at different angles. So I hit the cable machine and I'll do 2 different movements. I'll do a middle chest and I'll do my lower chest with the cable machine. So this is a complete workout. I guarantee it will work for you. Everybody is going to be at different points of their journey. So it might be too much load for you if you're not regularly going to the gym. But you can build your way up to it, and this can give you a framework on how to build a better chest. So I hope this video was helpful. I wanna know, what is your fitness goal? So comment below if you have a health and fitness goal. Comment below if it was helpful. And I wanna know if you're actually gonna try it out. And also, if you want more fitness tips and advice, check out more videos on my channel. Peace.